today we're at school, and in science we're going to be learning about the characteristics of living things. So let's go. Oh, hi. So today we're talking about movement, I guess. So when I think of movement is, movement, you know?
Actually, that is incorrect. Movement is organisms that at some point in their lives are capable of movement. For example, running, swimming, walking, slithering, and more.
Alright. Paper towel!
Welcome to science class, everyone. Today we will be learning about response to changes. Excuse me, Angelica, where are your writing supplies at?
Can I have a pen?
Okay, class, as we were being rudely interrupted, I wrote the definition of stimulus on the board. Stimulus, any events or changes in surroundings that causes a reaction or
What happened to the one definition?
This is why you need to pay attention, Angelica. Tissue attack. Okay, class, let's continue the lesson. Oh, wait, actually, Angelica, why don't you come up to the board and...
Me? Okay. So, a response is a reaction to an organism of a stimulus. Voluntary is under conscious control. Involuntary is not under conscious control. Sessile is stationary and non-moving. Tropism is growth response of a plant to an environmental stimulus. Examples is phototropism, light, gravitropism, gravity, I can't speak. Thigmotropism is touch. Examples, steak plants and roses on trellis. Where's my marker?
Okay, students, today in science, we will be learning about the wonderful process of Angelica, would you like to read what we will be learning about?
Okay. It's reproduction. Okay, right?
Isn't it reproduction? Yes, Timmy, it's reproduction.
It's shy, Timmy!
Okay, so today we're going to be learning about reproduction. Let's just move on. Reproduction, process by which organisms produce offspring similar to themselves, and the types are asexual, which requires one parent when the offspring is identical, and sexual requires two parents when the offspring is similar. Clones are identical offsprings, and some examples of sterile reproduction is when lions and tigers reproduce, they create a liger, and when horses and donkeys reproduce, they create a mule. Hey class, let's continue on with the lesson about reproduction. In reproduction, there is inheritance, genetics, and mutations. Inheritance means passing of characteristics from one generation to the next. Genetics is study of heredity, and mutation is genetic mistake that can be harmful or helpful. I'm sorry, class, today I won't be able to teach you guys anything, so let's just leave it on to Angelica.
Cells. Unicellular cells are made of one cell. Multicellular are made of many cells. It goes from cells to tissue to an organ system to an organism, a population, a community, an ecosystem, and a biosphere. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Autotroph are organisms that produce their own energy using the sun and chemicals. Photosynthesis is the process in which autotrophs make food using sun, water, air, and carbon dioxide. Chemosynthesis is the process in which chemicals are used to make food. Heterotroph are organisms that must consume another source, like eating, to get energy. Examples are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and detritivores. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions carried out in an organism, also known as a rate at which you process food. Waste may be in the form of heat, chemicals, water, urine, or feces. Growth is adding living cells or increase in cell and size and amount. Development is a series of orderly changes in offspring, from its beginning to maturity. The lifespan has 5 stages: birth, growth, maturity, decline, and death. Adaptation is a structure or behavior that enables an organism for better survival in different environments. Species may evolve as a change in inherited traits of a specimen over generations. Natural selection are organisms with the most favorable traits are most likely to survive. Well, that's the end of my presentation.
Characteristics of living things. Hey guys, my name is Aaron. Let's continue on with our lesson of reproduction. It's inheritance, genetics, and mutation. Inheritance is blah blah blah.
No! It's better.
For that tone of voice, you're going to have to get a detention. I do not allow this behavior in my classroom.
You need attention.